teleconnector which can connect with Tally. You can just click here for connect and the company gets loaded. All the data in 90% of the data has been consolidated into tables like this. You can select all the tables and you can give run report. This is optimized. It will use all the cores of your computer and try to maximize the result and try to get the fastest reports as possible. Each report on what it will do, it's been explained here. You can able to click and see. Then you can just save this report to a folder here and you can just save it and this is the output. It looks like. Let me just open it where you can able to extract around 1000 to 1500 transactions out of Excel in a minute. And these are the list of available reports, daybook, which will have a lot of perspective. Let me just open daybook. You have around 50 perspectives of various reports. It captures both the line item of any transaction. So both the debits and credits and both the debit and credit of a voucher is being taken. The entire dump is like you can see the sum is zero, so that means all the transactions being taken here with all debits and credits, line item wise reports, which can help you to do a lot of insights. And you have cost center report and the GST report, which will pull out all the GST data in a single page for all the transaction. You need not to run the registers separately for that particular report. This is basically the core report, which gives you 90% of data with stock data, cost center wise data, group company daybook, where if there are 10 companies, you can just load this data in a single shot and able to generate the report. So post this, we have audit analytical data, which you can give you some run audit analytics. You need not worry about the exceptions. This can generate you exceptions reports. This is a very interesting part. The next one is Cloud MCP connector. You can click on this. It can give you a MCP data file which can be connected into a cloud AI model. Here it is. It's already connected here. So I have asked a question. Get me the transactions report on another section 48.3. That is the cash transaction greater than 10,000. You can see it has run through a lot of reports and it came with 13 transactions. 5 are disallowable. 13 lakhs is the disallowable amount, and it has listed me all the transactions which are disallowed. And then I asked it to prepare a sales dashboard, and this is a report it has given me. Beautiful dashboard. Just see the dashboard available in Tally vis-a-vis the dashboard available here. So these are the two differences. By using the MCP connector, you can able to communicate the Tally data with the AI model. Now the next tool is that audit dashboard here, which can give you a inbuilt reports and analytics, which you can able to extract data out of it. So thank you so much.